We took $100 and we gave it to 5 different investments for 4 years. Some of them made a little money, and one of them made an absolutely insane amount of money. This is stocks versus real estate versus crypto versus gold versus index funds. Which one will win? The results will shock you. Let's go. First up in the last place, individual stocks. We bet 100 on a single huge company, Samsung, and after 4 years, that 100 is now worth $67. It lost 32% of its value. Picking one stock is super risky, but if we had picked a different stock, like Nvidia, that 100 would have turned into $900. It's all or nothing, and this time, we got nothing. Moving on. Our next contender is real estate with something called a REIT. It's like owning a tiny piece of a giant skyscraper. Our 100 in real estate turned into $110. That's a small win. We'll take it. Okay, things are getting better. Next up, gold. Gold is the super safe classic investment. It doesn't do anything crazy. It just protects your money. And our 100 in gold is now worth $140. A solid 40% return. Not bad at all. But it gets way better than this. It's time for our runner-up, index funds. This is like betting on the entire stock market. You buy a tiny piece of 500 of the biggest companies at once. It's the ultimate safe and smart long-term play. Our 100 in an index fund grew to $179. Almost double our money with almost zero stress. But one investment beat everything. It's time for the winner. Cryptocurrency. We put $100 into Bitcoin 4 years ago. This is the most high-risk, insane roller coaster investment on the planet. And today, that 100 is worth $652. A 552% return. It's absolutely unreal. So yes, crypto won the challenge. But here is the secret most people won't tell you. For every crypto that goes to the moon, thousands crash to zero. It's more like gambling than investing. The real winner for most people is the one that lets you win without the stress. And that is the index fund. The most important lesson isn't the money, it's that you have to start. So here is your challenge. Start today. Start small. And watch what happens. And subscribe for more insane yet productive challenges.